Are you looking for the best Chinese drones under $700? In this video we will look at some of the best Chinese drones under $700 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. SZWDSE P7 MAX Drone. SZWDSE P7 MAX Drone represents a new way to feel connected with open skies in quiet moments. Holding this drone brings excitement mixed with calm curiosity, allowing imagination to move freely above daily routine. Each flight creates a sense of escape, helping the mind breathe while capturing unforgettable memories. People searching for creative freedom often feel inspired when technology feels simple and trustworthy. This drone supports that desire by turning ordinary surroundings into meaningful experiences. Time spent flying feels personal, almost meditative, offering joy without pressure. Choosing this drone reflects confidence in modern innovation and love for visual storytelling. Aerial moments become emotional keepsakes that feel alive long after landing. Travelers, hobbyists, and dreamers find satisfaction through smooth control and peaceful exploration. Every launch encourages curiosity, while every landing leaves fulfillment. Owning this drone is not only about motion above ground, but also about inner balance and happiness. SZWDSE P7 MAX Drone fits people who value creativity, gentle adventure, and personal expression. It becomes part of a lifestyle focused on freedom, inspiration, and thoughtful enjoyment, helping users feel proud of a smart choice that aligns with modern dreams and emotional connection. Number 2. D12 GPS Drone. D12 GPS Drone creates a feeling of control, freedom, and quiet confidence from the first moment of flight. This drone is designed for adults who want more than entertainment and who value meaningful experiences. Flying it feels smooth and calming, helping the mind slow down while the world looks wider and more inspiring from above. Many people search for creative escape, and this drone answers that desire through peaceful motion and reliable response. Each flight builds trust, making every session feel natural and rewarding. Capturing memories from the sky becomes emotional, turning ordinary days into moments worth keeping. The touchscreen interaction feels personal, almost like a direct connection between thought and movement. Using this drone encourages curiosity, patience, and pride in mastering something modern. It fits perfectly into a lifestyle focused on balance, exploration, and personal growth. Buyers often feel satisfaction knowing they chose something that supports creativity and calm enjoyment. D12 GPS Drone is not only a flying device, it becomes a companion for reflection, adventure, and visual storytelling. Owning it means choosing inspiration, self-expression, and a deeper connection with surroundings, creating lasting happiness through every gentle flight. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2 Drone. Potensic Original Atom 2 Drone with PTD1 remote control for adults brings a quiet sense of excitement that grows with every flight. This drone speaks to people who dream of seeing life from a higher place and who enjoy moments of calm focus. Holding the controller feels reassuring, creating confidence even before leaving the ground. Flying becomes an emotional release, helping daily pressure fade while attention moves toward open space and gentle motion. Many buyers search for a tool that supports creativity, patience, and joy, and this drone fits that desire naturally. Each journey through the air feels smooth and thoughtful, turning ordinary surroundings into inspiring views. Time spent flying encourages mindfulness, making weekends feel richer and evenings more meaningful. Ownership gives pride, because choosing this drone reflects taste, curiosity, and love for modern exploration. It suits adults who value peaceful hobbies and personal growth. Sharing captured memories strengthens connection with friends and family, adding warmth to every experience. Potensic Original Atom 2 Drone with PTD1 remote control for adults becomes more than a device, becoming part of a balanced lifestyle built on imagination, freedom, and lasting happiness through every gentle moment in the sky.